What is up everyone, JFLORES here for the vlog, and today we're gonna make some grilled cheese sandwich. Let's go. Intro. So for today, sayo na kayo guys, you just need a couple of things: cheese, bread, some mayonnaise, and a source of heat, and a little butter. For this recipe, you don't need a griller or a panini press or a toaster, whatnot. You just need your stove and your frying pan and you're good to go. Sayo nga sa kaini, we'll be doing this in 5 minutes. This will be included in my 5-minute series. Tanong mag-TikTok mo, magluto na lang mo, kay kapoy na kami na TikTok. And you can also watch my other cooking tutorial videos para, you know, instead of TikTok again. And a reminder, I do have an ongoing giveaway. The link will be down below. Please participate. Come on, it's a giveaway. Let's get to cooking. Game. So now we'll need some sliced bread, mayonnaise, mayo, butter, and some cheese, and I'm using cheese grater. You could do any hot dogs or sausages that you want, and ham. Now you could add the mayo to your bread. Daghan na, kay lami kay ni siya, and para sa di mag-ugay inyong sandwich. Now that you're done with the mayo, you can add in the cheese and the craner, but then again, you can use any sausage that you want. Ham will do, anything, man, any meat. Now for the grilling without a grill. Heat up your pan, add in a little bit of butter, and painita na siya guys. Now gently add in your sandwich. Make sure nothing is out. Lower the heat a little and then add some weight. And then push it. Tapos makaya niyo. Make sure it won't break, and please be careful. This will flatten your sandwich out. Leave that for about a minute or two, and you could just remove the plate. Make sure to use a tong or a gloves, or I don't know. Okay, init ka na siya. Add in some butter on the other side, and you could just go ahead and flip the sandwich. That looks nice. That's what we're looking for. Then again, do the same thing, add the weight, and we just wait. And now we are done, so gently move the plate and remove your sandwich. And let's proceed to the plate up. Now you can cut it in half if you prefer. I do cut it in half kay di na ko mahurot char. And you could just slide it to your plate or transfer it to a plate and dig in, guys. So that is it for the vlog. I hope you had fun. I hope you'll try that at home. That was really simple. Lami ka na siya guys to satisfy your cravings, comfort food. Ooh la la. So please find time to cook that at home, especially, you know, enhanced community quarantine is ongoing, day 1 here in Cebu City. Please keep safe, please keep clean, if that makes sense. God bless. Peace.